Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk you through the AI request agent feature in DreamzCMMS, which makes it easy to report issues and manage requests through a smart conversational interface. I will be demonstrating this from the mobile application. Here's what I will cover: starting a chat with the AI request agent, creating a generic and asset-specific request, converting the request to a work order from the DreamzCMMS interface, checking the request status and adding notes, and viewing the conversational data and chat history. So let's get started. To begin the demonstration, let me first share my mobile application. To start the chat, you simply need to click on More, then AI Help, and then select CMMS Request AI Agent. To initiate a chat with the AI agent, you need to provide a conversational title. Then, simply click on Add New. On this screen, the AI agent will ask, "How can I help you today?" Here, you have the option to either speak your message or type it in the text box. In this case, I'm typing my message. After typing my request, I click Send. The AI agent will now ask whether this request is generic or asset-specific. I select Generic, then it will prompt me to choose a location. After selecting the location, the next step is to review the information provided. If everything looks accurate, simply type Yes to confirm. Next, the agent will ask if you want to attach any photos. If you don't, simply click No. But if you do want to attach a photo, click Yes. In the next section, you'll be given the option to choose a file. Once you click on Choose File, you'll see three options: Take Photo, Choose from Library, and Add File. I click on Take Photo, capture the image, and click Save. Once the image is saved, the AI agent confirms that the complaint has been logged and provides a case ID. Now, let me go to the request screen in the web admin portal and refresh the page. You will now see that the request has been successfully generated and the case ID shown is the same. Next, let me show you how to create a work order from this request. To create a work order, simply click on Work Order. This will take you to the work order creation screen. Enter the title. All other information is automatically populated. You can assign the task by selecting an assignee and then clicking Save. By doing this, you are able to create a work order directly from the incident. Now, let me open the incident screen. I open the request in a new tab. You can see that the current status of the request is In Progress. Now, let me show you how to check the current status. Once you click on the message area and type what you want to check the request status, it will ask you to enter the request number or case ID. After entering it and pressing Enter, it will display the case ID along with the current status, for example, blue screen and multiple restarts, in progress. If you want to add a note to this request, simply type Add Note. The AI agent will again prompt you to enter the case ID. After entering the case ID and the note, the system will confirm that the note has been added and the case ID has been updated. Now let me go to the details section of the incident and open the Notes tab. You can see the note has been successfully added to the request. This is how you can create a generic request, check the request status, and add notes. Now, let me show you how to create an asset-specific request. I start fresh and type, "Cooler is not cooling." Since this is asset-specific, I review the information and confirm everything is correct. Then, it asks me to either scan the code or add the asset manually. I click on Scan Code and proceed to scan the QR code on the cooler. After scanning, it asks whether I want to attach a photo. I simply click No. The system then confirms that the request has been generated and displays the case number as 8493. Let me now go to the Incident Request screen and verify that the request has been created. Here is the newly created request with case number 8493, matching the one shown earlier. That's a quick overview of the AI request agent in DreamzCMMS. As you can see, it streamlines the entire request lifecycle, from reporting to resolution, making the process faster, more efficient, and more intuitive for users on the go. If you have any queries, please let us know. Thank you for watching the video.